Hey, how's it gang? Welcome back to my channel. This evening I am going to be cooking dinner. Now obviously due to my intolerance I've had to go and purchase some gluten-free flour, gluten-free breadcrumbs. I've already got this, no egg replacer, so if you're vegan this is a good alternative. I've got some fish fillets, potato, broccoli, and I'm going to need soy milk for the potatoes and this vegan butter. So I don't know how to say, is it Nuttelex? I think that's right. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using today to make dinner. So sit back, relax, and just watch me cook. Sorry about the dog barking. I don't know whose dog that is. That's not my dog. Here's my battered fish and I'm just about to cook it. Okay, so now I'm about to pop the potato in boiling water. I'm gonna wait for that to cook. I'm gonna pop the fish in the oven. The reason why I'm not gonna fry it is because I don't want to use oil. I just want to have a really nice clean meal. So yeah, I'll pop that in the oven for a solid 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm just gonna wash the broccoli and just boil it. So I'll be back soon and I'll show you guys how I mash my potato. I seriously do it so good. It's like so hectic. It goes so well. For all those vegans out there, soy milk and mashed potato is just so creamy. It's like, it's really good. Along with this butter. And then I just add salt and a bit of pepper and it's so delicious. So the potato is cooked. I'm just gonna mash it slightly. So now I'm gonna add some soy milk. So I don't really measure, I just sort of guesstimate how much to put in. So see how the texture is not too runny? That actually looks perfect to me. Now I'm gonna add my butter. Grab whatever. Mush it all in. The butter gives it a lot of flavor, and especially because this is dairy free, you need as much flavor as possible. Then I'm going to add some salt, some pepper. By the way, the stove is actually off. It's still really hot, so I just leave it to sit there. This is the fish. I completely forgot to get lemon. I was meant to get lemon. I normally would have tartare sauce, but because that contains yeast, dairy, whatever, I can't. So if there is an alternative that you guys can suggest, I do, to dip my fish in. I'm such a saucy person. Like, I need it to be egg free, dairy free, everything free. So I just, you know, I'm like, you know what, it's fine, that will do me. So this is just a very quick and simple dinner that you could cook. I like it because it's just easy and pretty straightforward.